Sicily, the largest island in Italy, is surrounded by the Mediterranean Sea, located off the toe of Italy's boot. Sicily is known for its charming villages and towns with amazing architecture, its ancient ruins, and its crystal blue waters. Mount Etna is one of the world's most active and iconic volcanoes and can be easily spotted flying into Catania. The historic town of Milazzo is on the north coast of Sicily, 20 miles west of Messina. It was founded over 2,500 years ago and is the main port to the Aeolian Islands. It's worth a visit to the small town as it's full of character with narrow cobblestone streets, quaint homes, and views of the sea. The Castello del Milazzo is a medieval castle located on the summit overlooking the town. Originally the site of a Greek acropolis, then an Arab Norman citadel, the enormous castle was built by Frederick II in 1239, expanded by Charles V of Aragon, and attacked by Garibaldi's troops in 1860 in the Battle of Volturno. It's the largest fortified citadel in Sicily, at least a 20-minute walk to the top, where the defensive towers and bastions provided sweeping views of the Milazzo Peninsula and sparkling sea.